Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, August 23rd, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Um, Pretty interesting day today, and we did pretty well, but it wasn't, nothing went like I expected it. I called the Dow up for today. It went down. It actually ended up closing down 87 points and it closed on its low. So based on that, I will call the Dow down for tomorrow. We'll just have to see. I mean, uh, it's hard to predict, but I'm going to call it down for tomorrow. We had about $16,000 positive in open trade equity yesterday. We had a whole pile of positions, over 20 positions, and I just about lost it this morning because on the open it opens up negative. I mean, you go like we went from like positive $16,000 to negative $3,000 or something like that on the open. I thought, oh no, I can't believe this. And then amazingly, and this is just, it practically never happens this way, but it started gaining, and it actually at one point I think it was up to like $23,000 positive. I have just never seen that happen before. And by the time we got out of it, we would gain about $20,000 positive from those positions that we had yesterday. So, that was real good. We improved on the equity that we had yesterday, and we somehow got out of this hole that we showed right after the open this morning. As I say, I've just never seen that happen before, but it happened this morning. So I'm very happy about that. I'm less happy about what we got into, but it's not any, compared to a $20,000 gain, it's not too serious. But we got into 12 positions, which is quite a few positions for the Dow being down all day. And 3 of those are positive, 9 are negative, and we're carrying negative $3,000 going into tomorrow. But after what I saw this morning, anything could happen with that. So let's not worry too much about this. We had some just spectacular trades, which I'm going to show you. Oh, I didn't get this set up right. Okay, I'll show you. Apologize. This first one is Bida, and we had bought this yesterday just as soon as we could. It closed positive, but then had this nice big push up. We ended up selling that thing almost at the top, and we got $4.2 thousand closed out trade out of Bida. Very, very nice. And then this is Century Aluminum Company, CENX. We had bought this 2 days ago, and it gained so much yesterday, we stayed with it, and lucky we did because it pops up some more. In fact, we could have held it to the end, but regardless, we took out $4.7 thousand or $4,700 out of Century Aluminum Company. And then finally, this is Zion Oil and Gas. And I had somebody email me and they said, lucky you got out of that trade. There's no oil in Israel. I don't know if there's oil in Israel or not. But we made a lot of money on this Zion Oil and Gas today we took out $6,600 or $6,600 out of Zion Oil and Gas. So that's real good. And those three trades and a bunch of others is how we racked up almost $20,000 today in those positions that we were carrying from yesterday. So I'm very happy about this. Let's see if we can get out of this negative 3,000 tomorrow. Okay. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.